The best thing about this model is... Welcome back, everybody. We have another one of the brand new March releases, March 2023 releases. Today, we have the NASCAR Next Gen Camaro ZL1. This is kit number 42153. As I said, this released in March 2023. This is part of the Technic series, obviously. This is for ages 9+. Has 672 pieces. It's definitely available retail still. And if you are a VIP member, you will get 325 points from Lego.com. Please use our link down below to help us out. At first glance, this looks very similar to the Shelby Cobra, the GT500. I don't have high hopes for this. It looks like just the front and just the back are different, but we shall see. There's obviously some different color pieces. It's got some more USA themed pieces because it's NASCAR, obviously. It does look like they made it look like a Camaro in the front here, so I'm excited to get going on this. So let's get going. All right, we have a massively thick manual for this one. We have 4 bags of parts. We have 4 tires to put on, and we have a huge sheet of stickers, decals, and they look like they have some shiny holographic tint to them. I don't know if that'll come across, but hopefully it will. It looks like we have a lot of lines to line up because of the number panels and the livery of the car, but we shall see how it goes. Might be frustrating, but we're gonna make it through. So, without further ado, here we go.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
That is the NASCAR Next Gen Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. bittersweet on this one. There's a lot of cool parts to it, but a lot of things they could have done better. First off, this is nothing like the Shelby GT500. Body panels may look similar, the shape of the car, the size of the car may look similar, but this is not a pullback model. This is more along the lines of the McLaren Senna GTR and the Bugatti Bolide. This is a display model, not a pullback play model. The engine's kind of cool. Some of the pistons stick a little bit, but it was a good attempt. There was a lot of complex parts. This rear end, I think they could have done better, but I guess they wanted to match the lines. So there's a whole bunch of single on top of singles. You know I'm not a fan of that. Otherwise, I mean, there's a lot of parts to this. I'm not sure if they're just trying to get the piece count up so that they can charge more. I don't know, but this was kind of clever. Instead of a long shaft for the steering, the second gear is right there. The steering is very smooth. It doesn't take a lot of effort to steer. It's pretty simple, pretty basic. That's about the most basic part. There's just a whole bunch of little pieces, a whole bunch of stickers to line up. I highly recommend putting the stickers on the doors once you build the doors up before you put the doors on the assembly. It's going to be really hard to put stickers in those spaces when they tell you to do it. Same with the big sticker back here. They want you to put decals on after the fact, but I looked ahead and I put it on beforehand before I was in this precarious kind of position. The best thing about this model is all of the fake sponsors. Other than NASCAR, there is not a single real sponsor on here, even though it looks like there are. They're all just car parts and car pieces. It's hilarious. I love it. It's a great joke. Other than this NASCAR Cup Series on both sides, you have a sponsor here called Manifold. You have a sponsor here called Firm Grip. You have a sponsor here called Oil. You have a sponsor here called Bitbox. Where's the other one? You have another one called Engine in the back. I love that. That's hilarious. Well played, engineers. Good work on that one. I think that's about it. This was a lot of pieces. Like I said, it looks a lot like it's the shape of the Shelby GT500, but it is nothing like the Shelby GT500. It's a similar price, but it's a completely different concept. I think the only thing I really didn't like about it, I mean, other than this little roll bar that connects to nothing, that's kind of lame, and the top of the seat connects to nothing, just kind of leans up against that roll bar, and the steering wheel does nothing. It's actually locked in place. I think the only thing I didn't like about it is the 4000 decals, and you have to, since a lot of them are big decals on big panels that you have to line up, it's a pain. But other than that, I mean, I think I like this one better than the Shelby. I mean, obviously they're about the same size, they're about the same shape, but this one feels a little bit sturdier. I mean, there's a couple places that just kind of don't, like this front wiggles because it's only connected in 2 spots. And this spoiler is, I don't know if it's supposed to be adjustable, but it's adjustable. I mean, it's not the worst one I've built so far. It's actually better than a couple of them. So yeah, not too bad. Just a lot of pieces, really complicated. There's some cool features. Yeah, that's about it on this one.